To clean or replace the air filter on your Sportsman 450, follow these steps. Place the transmission in park. Lock the parking brake. Remove the seat by lifting straight up on the rear of the seat and sliding the seat towards the rear of the vehicle. Clean the area around the air filter cover. Unfasten the airbox cover clamps and remove the airbox cover. Inspect the cover seal and replace if necessary. Loosen the clamp and remove the air filter. Remove the pre-filter from the main filter and inspect the pre-filter. Inspect the main filter and replace if necessary. Notice, if the filter has become soaked with fuel or oil, it must be replaced. Do not attempt to clean the air filter. Clean the pre-filter with soapy water and let it air dry. Install the pre-filter on the main filter. Be sure the screen covers the entire surface of the main filter without folds, creases, or gaps. Install the main air filter into the air box and ensure it is fully seated. The filter should rest on the filter supports. Proper placement of the air filter is important to prevent rattles and air leaks. Notice, use of a non-Polaris approved filter may cause engine damage. Always use Polaris approved replacement filters. Replacement filters are available at your Polaris dealer. In dusty conditions, air filter replacement will be required more often. Tighten the clamp and torque to specification. Reinstall the airbox cover and spring clamps. Reinstall the seat. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.